Hello again, P5 students. How are you? Welcome back to our e-learning class. So today I'm going to give you another lecture, another topic. Okay, so before we proceed to our discussion, please watch this video first. This is related to the topic that we are going to discuss, okay?
It's a great big wonderful world, but scary things can happen, and where and when they do, Roy will be there for you. When we need it, he's always around to keep us smart, safe and sound. When the flames and dangers are near, I know that there's no need to fear. Roy will be there. We're learning fire safety from a super awesome teacher. He's strong and he's courageous, and he'll teach us all to be safer. Together we are learning what to do if something's burning. We are learning fire safety. Roy wants us to be safe as we can be. That good? I see your tail grew back. That's great. Oh, your water's empty. I'll get you some more. Huh? What's this? Fire! Fire! I didn't do it this time! It wasn't us!
Everyone, this way!
What's happening?
There's a fire downstairs. Single file line and follow me.
Right! Huh? But then...
Everyone all right?
Yes, I think we've got all the students outside.
Wait, hang on! Charles isn't here!
What? Charles!
Hey, Finn. Now we can go. But we can't go that way. This is bad, huh? Don't worry. We'll make it out of here. Over here, look! I can't get out! It's Charles! He's in the classroom! Charles!
Charles! Charles!
Roy, he's in their classroom on the second floor!
Great, got it.
Help me, someone!
I'm here.
Roy!
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. The fire's all put out now. Thank goodness no one was hurt.
Roy,
Okay, so what did you see? What did you learn from the video? Okay, we will talk about fire alarms. Okay, when there is a fire, okay, in the building or like for example, if there's a fire in the school, so what are the things that we must do? Okay, so that is our topic today. That is what we are going to discuss. Okay, now look at this presentation. Okay, we will talk about fire alarms, okay? From the video that you have watched, what did you hear that sound? Like, ding, ding. That sound is the fire alarm, okay? When there is a fire, that sound, that sound will turn on. You will hear that ting, ting, ting. Okay, that is the fire alarm. So this is it, the fire alarms, and this will have what is this? Red lights. The lights will turn on. Okay, the lights will turn on. It's a red light. That means and there is a sound. That sound that you have heard from the video, right? The fire alarm will be turned on, and then There's also a light. That's what we call the fire alarms. Okay. Now, what are the things that the students must do? Okay, when there is a fire alarm at school, when you hear that there is a fire, there's a fire, and the sound, there is that sound, the tring tring tring, that means there is emergency, there is a fire in the school. So what must students do? Okay, first vocabulary word is, okay, number one is stay calm. Do not panic, do not do that. Okay, just calm, and okay, do not run, do not run. Okay, just calm down, and okay, this is calm, stay calm. Okay, do not panic, do not be like that. Okay, just calm down, stay calm. Okay, number one, stay calm. Okay, stay calm. Again, repeat, stay calm. Again, repeat, stay calm. Okay, next is, okay, be quiet and listen. Okay, when you stay calm and then quiet, be quiet. Okay, and listen to your teacher. Okay, be quiet and then listen to your teacher. Okay, because the teacher will tell you what to do, right? Okay, first, stay calm, and then be quiet. Okay, be quiet and listen. Okay, repeat, be quiet and listen. Again, very good, be quiet and listen. Okay, next is walk to the nearest exit. Okay, walk, do not run very fast, do not run. Do not you, okay, don't, or do not run very fast. Walk, okay, just walk to the nearest exit. Okay, go down, going down the school. Okay, walk to the nearest exit. Okay, walk fast, but that, don't run very fast, just walk fast. Done. Okay, done to the nearest exit. Okay, again, repeat, walk to the nearest exit. Again, repeat, very good, walk to the nearest exit. Okay, next, don't stop and pick up bags. Okay, when there is a fire, when you're going out, you're going to the exit, do not stop, and go, do not go any bags, do not pick up bags. Okay, you cannot pick up bags, do not stop, youth may die, and cannot pick up bags. Okay, okay, again, repeat, don't stop and pick up bags. Okay, don't stop and pick up bags. Okay, next, do not, okay, do not run fast. Okay, not, okay, must not run fast. Okay, wing reo, no, cannot run fast. Okay, just walk fast, but not run fast. Okay, walk, the previous, like this. Okay, walk to the nearest exit, but not run fast. Okay, do not run fast. Okay, next is walk to the playground. Okay, when you go down the school, walk to the playground. Okay, go to the playground. Okay, this is what we call the playground. Okay, because it's far from the buildings, far from the fire. Okay, again, repeat, walk to the playground. Again, repeat, walk to the playground. Very good. Now, next is line up in class groups. Okay, when you are going to the exit, okay, listen to the teacher, right? Line up in class groups. Do not run by yourself. Do not run and And what is this? Do not run very fast, okay, because you might get hurt, okay, with because there are a lot of students. So that means line up in class groups. In class groups means for P5 students, okay, line up, walk and line up with the P5 students. Follow your teacher, okay? Do not run very fast, okay? Do not go everywhere. Just line up with your classmates, okay? Line up in class groups. Again, repeat, line up in class groups. Okay, very good. Next, number 8, not return without permission. Okay, when you're out of this, when you're going out, do not return. Do not return, okay, without permission, okay? If the teacher will tell you, do not go back, you cannot go back, okay? When the teacher go out, all of you, all the students must go out, go to the nearest exit and go out from the school, okay? Okay, repeat, not return without without permission, okay? Not return without permission, okay? Okay, let us repeat from the start. Okay, first, students must stay calm. Okay, again, repeat. Stay calm, very good. Next, be quiet and listen. Repeat. Be quiet and listen. Okay, next, walk to the nearest exit. Okay, again, repeat. Walk to the nearest exit. Very good. Walk to the nearest exit. Okay, next. Don't stop and pick up bags. Okay, again. Don't stop and pick up bags. Okay, again, repeat. Don't stop and pick up bags. Okay, very good. Next is do not run fast. Okay, again, repeat. Okay, not run fast. Okay, next is walk to the playground. Again, repeat. Walk to the playground. Okay, next. Line up in class groups. Okay, again. Line up in class groups. Okay, next is not return without permission. Repeat. Very good. Not return without permission. Okay. Now, our sentence structures are, okay, first, when there is fire alarm. Okay, fire alarm. What is fire alarm again? That ching, 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 that sound, that is the fire alarm. Okay, when there is fire alarm, me fire alarm, what must the students do? Okay, what must the students do? Nakriyan tamaray. Students must blank. Okay, for example, the first, what must the students do? Students must stay calm. Okay, students must be quiet and listen. Okay, let us repeat from the start. Okay, when there is fire alarm, what must the students do? Okay, the students must, number one, stay calm. Okay, the students must be quiet and listen. Okay, the students must walk to the nearest exit. Okay, or the students must not stop and pick up bags. Okay, just walk continuously. Okay, student must not run fast. Okay, students must not run fast. Okay, next, students must walk to the playground. Okay, next, students must line up in class groups. Okay. And students mustn't return without permission. Mustn't or must not. Okay. Students must not or students mustn't return without permission. Okay. When there is fire alarm, what must the students do? Okay, your answer will be students must stay calm. Okay, you tell one of those or two or three. Okay, now repeat. I will ask you, when there is fire alarm, what must the students do? Okay, what's your answer? Students must blank. Okay, again, students answer. One, two, three. Okay, students must uh, stay calm. Students must be quiet and listen. Students must line up in class groups. Students must walk to the nearest exit. Students must walk to the playground. Okay, like that. That's how to answer it. Okay. Now, next question. Must the students blank? Okay, for example, okay, your answer will be yes, they must. If no, no, they mustn't. Okay, yes, they must. No, they mustn't. If your answer is yes, yes, they must. If your answer is no, no, they mustn't. Okay, now I will ask you, must the students stay calm? Okay, must the students stay calm? Okay, if your answer is yes, yes, they must. If your answer is no, no, they mustn't. Okay, again, must the students be quiet and listen? What's your answer? Very good. Yes, they must. Okay, now this one. Must the students walk to the nearest exit? Very good. Yes, they must. Must the students must the students walk in walk must the students walk to the playground? Yes, they must. Okay. Must the students line up in class groups? Yes, they must. Very good. Now, must the students run fast? Okay, must the students run fast? What's your answer? Yes or no? Very good. No, they mustn't. You must not run very fast. Walk, okay. Walk in line groups with walk in class, walk in line up in class groups, okay? Yes. Must the students line up in class groups? Yes, they must. Must the students walk fast? Run fast? Must the students run fast? No, they mustn't, right? They mustn't run fast. Okay. Must the students um, stop and pick up bags? No, they mustn't, right? Because you must walk. We must not stop. You must not stop and pick up bags. No. Now, must the students um, return without permission? Return or go back. Must the students go back or return without permission? Very good. No, they mustn't. Okay. Maida, you cannot go back without permission. Okay. Now, did you get it? Did you did you get how to answer the questions? Okay, let us repeat. When there is fire alarm, what must the students do? Okay, how to answer it? Okay, students, answer it. One, two, three. Very good. Okay. Students must stay calm. Students must be quiet and listen. Students must walk to the nearest exit. Students must line up in class groups. Students must walk to the playground. Students must not return without permission. Okay. Now, how to answer the question number 2? Must the students blank? Okay, if your answer is yes, yes, they must. If your answer is no, no, they mustn't. Okay, for example, must the students stay calm? Okay, what's your answer? One, two, three. Very good. Yes, they must. Okay, another one. Must the students be quiet and listen? What's your answer? One, two, three. Very good. Yes, they must. Now, must the students run fast? What's your answer? One, two, three. Very good. No, they mustn't. Okay, last one. Must the students return without permission? What's your answer? One, two, three. Very good. No, no, they mustn't. Okay, now we are finished with our discussion. I hope you can remember all those things, okay? Those things that the students must do, okay? So we are finished. So now I'm going to give you your worksheet for you to answer, okay? Okay, so this is your worksheet, okay? You write your name here, okay? Now I give you the picture of the things that the students must do when there's fire alarm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And you answer these questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5. Now, what you should do, what you must do is, okay, you check your answer here. You check. You tick. Check here. Check if your answer is this. Check. And then write your answer here. Write your answer here. Like for example, number 1. Students blank calm. Okay, students. Okay. If your answer is must stay. Okay, students must stay calm. Okay, you check this. Check or tick this one, must stay, and then write it here. Okay, tick this, tick, and then Kian write it here, must stay. Students must stay calm. Okay, do you understand? Okay, it's your turn to answer the rest. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now, students, please, after answering this worksheet, please submit, okay, submit to the teacher so that we can check your answers, okay? So that we can see if you have learned from the lesson, okay? You have learned from the lesson and to see to it that you listened and you have learned a lot from this topic, okay, from this discussion, okay? So I'll see you again on our next video. Thank you very much for listening, students. Okay, bye-bye.